To me, investing in REITs in Malaysia is too narrow for any investor. I would suggest that anybody who wants to invest into REITs should expand your horizon, your universe into Singapore REITs, Hong Kong REITs, Japan REITs, China, or even Australia REITs. Then only your REIT investment is diversified enough to give you your better return and less volatility. We should broaden our asset allocation to reduce the volatility and to enhance the return. What I mean is that you can do this diversification of asset class whether you are using direct investment, whether you are using unit trust, whether you are using ETF. So as long as you make sure that you are diversified globally, and then fairly effectively across the global market, then that should be a good portfolio for you to reduce the volatility. Okay, so anyway, if you want to get a second opinion as to see whether the current portfolio of your asset allocation is it well diversified enough, you can always take the opportunity to speak to a financial planner so that you'll be able to be sure that in your case what area, what asset you may need to include, or what asset you may want to reduce in order to have a balanced and well diversified portfolio. To keep money in the bank, definitely the interest rate is very low. So the idea is to find investment that can give a higher return. In that case, fixed income, like for example bond, definitely is one option. Of course, to invest in bond, there are two ways to do that. One is to buy directly retail bond, okay, and another one is to buy into a bond fund. So same thing also, if to talk about it, we need to select, okay, which is the quality bond or bond paper or bond fund. But in this case, the way I look at it is that we need to know that buying direct bond, there is not so much there's not so much diversification. So compared to buying a bond fund from a unit trust company, you have a better diversification, and that may reduce your risk, because the risk of a bond investment or fixed income investment is that the company that issued a bond may face some financial difficulty and may not be able to pay the coupon, and then that will affect the bond paper. So if you diversify your bond investment into a bond fund, that will reduce your risk, and give you the return that you expect. Okay, but even though you invest into unit trust fund, bond fund, still it's only fair that you do a comparison for the bond fund offering by different unit trust management company, because different company offer different bond fund with different track record, different management style, and different component inside the bond fund. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.